And now I am here, out here at the Hilton Garden Inn at the Columbus Airport. Here's the front entrance. Gonna go in and head up to my room. Here we are. Now into the elevator to my room on the second floor. Room 207 we're looking for. (209), 207, here we are. I'm in the room, and now here's a little tour of my room at the Hilton Garden Inn at the Columbus Airport. Looks like we got a microwave up here, and we have a little coffee maker, along with some water bottles and some plastic cups. Down here, there's a refrigerator, drawer, little cabinet. Then walk over here. Here's a mirror. Hello, that's me. Some lamps. Nice big bed. Looks very comfy. Look at that. They have my name on the TV. That's cool. Got another lamp over here, a clock, a phone. Nice little chair. Another lamp. Then we have a window out here overlooking the Columbus Airport. Should be able to see some planes going by later. That'll be cool. Then we got another mirror. Here I am again. Hello. We got another lamp. Looks like a little desk lamp. Nice big desk. Really nice office chair. Look at that. That looks very comfortable. We got another little drawer here. And then over here we have the dresser. Some drawers for clothes. And then over here, there's a little painting. Not sure what that is, but cool. Then over here is the bathroom. Let's take a look. Let's get some lights on. There we go. Here I am again. Nice big shower. Look at that. Wow. We have some shower gel, some conditioner, some shampoo. These little containers, that's really nice. Another little painting. Here's a hair dryer in a little bag. Here's the toilet. Here's the sink. What do we have over here? We have some body lotion. We have some hand soap. We have some tissues. And what is this? This is bath soap. So a little bar of soap along with all these little containers of soap and conditioner. That's really nice. Then we got some towels over here as well. Towels, toilet paper. I think that's about it. Very nice. But just wait, we have to check the closet still. Nice big closet too. Wow, look at that. There's an iron up there, along with an ironing board, I think. Some coat hangers. Wow, really impressed with this hotel so far. This might be one of the nicest hotels I've ever stayed at. This is really nice. For only like $95 a night, this is a really nice hotel. Oh look, here comes a flight. What is that? Is that a Delta? Oh, it's Air Canada. That's cool. Looks like they're headed back to Canada. Well, I've just been sitting here at this desk, looking out the window, just watching airplanes go by. It's a pretty cool view. I really enjoy it. Although now, I think it's time to get up and check out the pool, the fitness center, and the rest of the hotel. I'm now back over here at the elevators. There's also the ice machine. Looks like no vending machine though. Okay, looks like the pool should be over here. Here's the fitness center. Here's the pool. Okay, here's the fitness center. It's open until 11 p.m. I think. Got a big TV over there. Got some treadmills. Nice little fitness center. Wow, there goes a big Delta plane right out the window. I don't know if they just landed or if they're departing. That's a very neat view right out the window. Well, it turns out I've run into my first issue with this hotel. I've been using the digital room key, which allows me to open my room door and the fitness center doors and all public doors in this hotel through my phone. It's just an app on my phone that allows me to open my door without checking in at the front desk. So I don't have a physical room key, but I have an app on my phone. For some reason, that doesn't work with the door at the pool. It worked with the fitness center door, but not the pool door, which is really strange, because they're basically the same thing. I think the pool door is just broken. Probably doesn't work for the app right now. So if I want to go use the pool, I'll have to check in and get a physical room key, which I'm not really planning to do tonight. I was going to go swimming, but I think I'll just get some sleep instead. Extra sleep is never a bad thing. Well, it is a very early Tuesday morning. Yeah, the sun's not even out yet, look at that. It is 3:30 a.m. If you can see that clock right there. I woke up about an hour ago, 2:30. Very early for me, very, very early. But the flight I have to Orlando leaves at 5, so I need to be at the airport by 4. About to leave the hotel. All is good. Must say though, after using this shower is fantastic. This is the only shower head that I've used in a long time, and that is above my head level. So my head level's about right here. I'm 6'3". This shower head is about 6'5", so that means I can stand underneath it and not hit my head on it. And that is great. Water pressure, it's okay, but still a nice shower.